Morning TikTok. We are in Edison, Anthony and I, because we couldn't get anyone else to go with us.
Nope, wrong one. Sorry.
This is our second trip to Edison. Look, there's people. Guarantee where you think they're going.
To that go-kart place.
Yeah, there's 4 cars already. So we figured we would drive here at 9 o'clock in the morning and try and get in at this new indoor go-kart track. And we should have left a few minutes early because I just seen a parade of vehicles going in here. So let's see what... This is called Supercharged in Edison. And what the problem is that you have Topgolf here, right? And then you have... Oh my God. Are you fucking kidding me? Already the fucking line.
Alright, we gotta get going. It's not that long now, but we just gotta hurry.
I'm gonna drop you off so you can get in line.
Yeah.
You need to get here at like 7:30. There's already a fucking line for this place.
It's not that bad. It's only like, what, 20 people? We can make it.
You're gonna stand in line.
Yeah. Shit. Careful with the speed bumps.
Fuck.
Alright, you gotta find